I know their secret. In these troubled times, I'm here because I want to show you a few things that, you know, y'all are FPV experts and y'all know all about frequencies and radios and stuff. And we're asked to wear a mask to cover up a face this beautiful. I have to wear a mask to cover up. And I thought, why am I covering up something that is just this gorgeous? And then it dawned on me, I'm the only one smart enough to figure this out. And the FPV community is the one that helped me out with it because I have radio antennas and I have radio knowledge, okay? So let's say my 2.4 gigahertz antenna on my receiver breaks and I cut it to exactly 31 millimeters or 30.8 millimeters, whatever it is. It's 30 point something millimeters. And then I have a functional antenna again because there are radio waves all around. Yeah, they, you know, they send out controls. Hello. They send out controls and the receiver receives those radio waves and is controlled around to do what I say goes. And I thought, we're being asked to wear masks, and this is a medical grade mask. Inside this mask is a metal strip right here. It goes right there near your brain. There's a metal strip near your brain. And you and I both know, because we are both FPV people, and we know that metal unshielded radio wave picks up on radio waves. Which brings me to my point, and I need the noggin knocker for this. 5G. When they say wear a mask, they actually want you to pick up and put next to your brain an antenna that will pick up radio waves from 5G. 5G in the 600 megahertz range, it's about 5 inches. It's 4.7 inches. What do you know? This happens to be 4.7 inches. You think that's a coincidence? You think that's a coincidence? That you're being asked to hold something that would pick up radio waves right next to your brain? And you notice the media hype around it? And you notice how they want you to do stuff. They want you to do things that you know that you shouldn't do. You know, you're going to have something that is so, this thing's like, it's so hard to breathe through. It's so hard to breathe through that, you know, it won't block a virus, but somehow it will block oxygen and it will trap carbon dioxide. Okay? But it won't block a virus, which is far larger than oxygen and carbon dioxide. Wait a minute. And that metal strip isn't really connected to anything except your brain. I mean, it goes straight. It's like an antenna for your brain. You gotta be kidding me. Okay? Seriously, like, God bless. Are you kidding me? I have to say, my only conspiracy theory about this is that if you think that the people who started this conspiracy are going to lose, like, they got the whole world on board already. I hope y'all know that these do help, and for essential workers, these are very important for their health and for yours. So please, 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 if you go outside, this one actually is broken, which is why I'm screwing with it. But if you go outside, wear a mask. It goes on top. You push it down on your nose. You can breathe. Your phone has an O2 saturation monitor. O2 saturation monitor, if you're worried about it. Mine's 98% all the time. Covers up. Don't pull it down. Don't wear it like a chin strap. This is not a freaking neck beard holder. It's a neck beard warmer. That's what you want. Please, please, wear a mask when you go out. That's all I'm asking. Please, 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 please. I have too many teacher friends who are worried about what they're going to do in a couple months, or actually in 1 month, when they're forced to go back to school and nobody knows how to use these things. That's not a 5G antenna. If you believe that, step out of the gene pool. Like, my channel is not that big. It's not growing very fast. And I'm okay with that because I love the people who come to my channel. So if you come here and, you know, you want some entertainment and education, at some point every now and then I got something useful to say. What I have to say right now will save somebody's life. And the thing is, if it doesn't, you just go around looking like a ninja. Who doesn't want to look like a ninja? That's pretty cool. I think that's awesome. Shoot. And if you're like me, this does need some help sometimes. Got the COVID hair too, but this needs some help sometimes. So this just accentuates this. Buy one that says, go fund yourself, because that's a lot of fun. But this is Sully. Please, please think of like your grandmother. Wear a mask, please. That's all I'm asking. That's it. That's it. But if you are wondering, the metal strip in this is actually very close to one of the 5G frequencies. It really is. Woo, woo. You gotta be kidding me. I know y'all are smarter than that. I do this for entertainment. I do this because I want to. I do this because I love interacting with my audience. If you got something to say, be nice. This one might not be up for very long because it'll probably get flagged, but you know, I know their secret. Half of this video has been true.